Hey, how y'all doing? This is Will from Say How You Feel, and I just want to stop by and do a quick video using none other than this right here. Is called Hotmelt. I have not put this on my website yet, but I am going to put this on my website. So by the time this video comes out, it'll probably be already on there. Maybe, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But Hotmelt is a glue-like substance that you use when you want to use this shiny product right here. So I probably should have cut this. I cut this a couple of days ago, probably about a week ago. Probably should have cut it when I got ready to use it, but oh well, whatever. This is for the purpose of the video. I'm not even gonna wear the shirt that's on the design. I'm actually looking for a shirt. I got one. Hold on. Be right back. Stay tuned. If you want to see how this comes out, just stay tuned. By the way, let's give a shout out to the squad. We're gonna start off with 12 Going Apparel, Mike T's, all things style. And of course, lifestyle, you dig. Let's show some love. Let's go follow their pages. And let's just be supportive of what the squad is doing. You dig lifestyle, she's hilarious. Her videos are okay. All of their videos are great. My boy Mike T got this awesome new camera setup. He's doing some wonderful things over there. Trevor Going to Pale, my man is doing some amazing things out there. Check it out. And of course, my brother from Cali, you know what I'm saying, represents the West Coast for Lizzle, your shizzle. So, you know what I'm saying, all things styles, just keep getting it in. Just be on the lookout, man. We got some amazing things popping. We got the new page. Go follow the page. Matter of fact, I don't have my phone, but I will have the link in the description. Go follow the page. Join the page, man. It's all positive things, all showing love, all about growth and transparency and moving forward. We, as a collective group, make mistakes so that you all don't. Let's show some love. Okay, so I'm back. I figured out what shirt I want to use. So, full transparency, I have used the predecessor to this on several occasions. It was a little thicker. It had a little backing onto it. This says it doesn't have a backing. I have cut it twice, pressed it never. So I've never used this particular one. So we're going to find out together how this works. It says press for 300, medium pressure for 5 seconds. I'm not going to waste my time doing my timer because I know how to do that. Then it says pure almost hot. Place foil over the poly melt. Cover with a Teflon sheet. Press for 10 seconds. And it doesn't say where's the temperature, so I'm assuming it's also at 300. I know you have to let it peel cold. I am going to press this design on here. Can you see this backwards to you guys? So let me put it this way. Is it straightforward to you guys this way? Well, I don't know. Whatever. You know, you see it. So let's press this. Over here to press, I have a gray halter top that I put on here. So, get ready. I may just give this to my daughter because I'm not gonna wear it. It's on the halter top for one. So, let's see what happens. I'm going to place this a little bit lower. So 5 seconds. And it said let it sit, it's almost hot. So I gotta let it do what it's doing. And I'm gonna put it almost hot. Let's see. See, it's all. Again, I've done the predecessor, but I had not used this. Now, it says put on Teflon sheet. Now, I actually have a Teflon sheet that is attached to my press, so I don't have to do that part. So I want to do the gray. I probably should do this on a blue shirt. Hold on. Let me do something, and I think I'm gonna change this to a another color. Okay, so I had to switch colors because I realized I put silver on top of a gray, and I just didn't want to do that for the first time. I didn't know how that would come out, so I said, well, let me just mix it pop. All right, so we're gonna put this on here. And I see this a little longer, but whatever. It would only adhere to where the glue is at. So this says leave it on for 10 seconds. So I'm going to find, I'm going to use this one. So let's get the roll out again and make sure that we got everything situated. And it says place 4 over the press. Cool completely. So it says let it cool completely. So here's how it looks so far. We're gonna place this right here. Yeah, actually once I put it down here, it got a little colder. We're gonna place this right here. Yeah, and let it do what it do. You know, feels like it's kind of nippy. So this is nice. This is nice. So here's how it came out. Right, this again is the Hotmelt. It'll be on the website soon and very soon. We are going to see the king. If you watch, if you're a 70s baby, grew up in the 80s, you seen the movie Colors, or if you grew up in church, you know the song. So, okay, again, thank you all. Please go and support. Check out, say how you feel. I got some stuff back there, probably. I need to clean that up. I'll get to it. I was working on a Bible study, and yeah. So again, check out Say How You Feel TV. Thank you for coming. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check out the squad. All things styles. 12 Gone Apparel. Mike T's. The Dig Lifestyle. Check us out. Go to the Facebook group. Please. Subscribe, join, however they say it. And when it's all said and done, keep saying how you feel. Much love.